The intersection of AI and art has sparked a creative revolution, pushing the boundaries of human imagination and enabling new forms of artistic expression. AI algorithms are now capable of generating, interpreting, and collaborating with artists, transforming the art landscape. One fascinating application of AI in art is generative art. AI algorithms can create unique and original artworks by analyzing patterns, styles, and compositions from existing artistic works. This ability to generate art opens up endless possibilities for exploring new aesthetics and artistic styles. AI also plays a role in art interpretation and analysis. Computer vision algorithms can analyze images and artworks, identifying objects, styles, and even emotions conveyed by the artwork. This provides valuable insights for art historians, critics, and enthusiasts, deepening our understanding of artistic movements and influences. Collaborations between AI and human artists have resulted in groundbreaking works of art. Artists are leveraging AI tools to enhance their creative processes, experiment with new techniques, and expand their artistic vision. This collaboration between human creativity and machine intelligence showcases the symbiotic relationship between AI and art. AI is also revolutionizing art curation and recommendation systems. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, including art collections, user preferences, and historical trends, to curate personalized art recommendations. This enhances the art discovery experience, allowing individuals to explore diverse artworks aligned with their interests. Ethical considerations in AI and art are essential. Questions of authorship, creativity, and the impact on human artists arise in this evolving landscape. However, the integration of AI in art also offers opportunities for innovation and exploration, pushing the boundaries of artistic expression. In our upcoming videos, we will delve deeper into specific AI technologies and applications in art, including style transfer, AI-generated music, and interactive installations. Join us on this artistic journey, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content on AI in various domains.